Hi guys, it's Janine from the Vision Division. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing and reviewing of the Immersion 5-in-1 8-speed hand blender from Utalent. Also, I have a little demonstration for you. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, you can hit the bell so that the next time I post and every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. Now, I did this unboxing a while ago and I used the blender a lot, so stay tuned until the end to get my honest review. Okay then, let's get started. Before we get started, let me mention, I was a little worried when I received this box because on the box it shows 4 pieces when I ordered the 5-in-1. So technically I opened the box already, but only to check that all the pieces were there, which they were. Now the box looks decent and has pictures of dishes that can be made with this blender. Now the first thing out of the box is the instructions, as always. This is the motor unit, where all the power is. It's a decent weight, not too light. And it has a normal plug, American normal plug. Now this is where you control the speed. It has 8 speeds, so you can click on anywhere from 1 to 8. And I think that this hook is so that you can hang it up on the wall or a door inside a cabinet or something. Now this is the whisk. You can use this to beat eggs or to whisk batter for cakes or bread. And this is the whisk holder. I will show you how to connect the whisk to this. This piece is called the vessel. I really appreciate that this vessel has measurements on them. This is a milk frothier. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have no idea how to use this. If anyone can give me an idea of what it's for or how to use it successfully, please leave me a comment with this information. Maybe I'll use it one day. This is the stainless steel blender stick. So far, this and the vessel are the only 2 pieces I have used the most. This is a chopping bowl. With this, you can dice up things like veggies and ice. I never tried it though. I do like that this bowl has the measurements on it as well. I did have trouble at first getting the lid back on. Now to put the whisk in the holder, you just snap it in. To get the holder or any of the other attachments onto the motor unit, you must squeeze the 2 plastic pieces on the side. Then place the attachment on till you feel and hear it snap into place. Then you release the plastic pieces. And to remove, you just squeeze it again, both of them, and pull or twist to release. This is a demonstration on how to use the blender, and I'm going to be making chocolate keto coffee. So I'm using a half a scoop of chocolate MCT oil powder with collagen. And let me tell you, I really love this stuff because it actually made my hair grow a lot. Then I'm taking 1 tablespoon of ghee butter with no salt. But of course you can use any type of butter that you feel is good for you. I mean, look up different recipes and stuff for what type of butter is healthy for the keto diet. And I'm adding a half a teaspoon of stevia extract. The stevia, you can use any type of sugar substitute that you want to use. I'll have a list of everything I use in the description below. Now I put all of it in my coffee cup and then I poured the coffee in. Then I put the coffee and all of the ingredients in the vessel to blend. This blender, you must hold it straight up and down. I tend to lift it out a little and put it back in. Sometimes I turn the cup to make sure I blend everything good. I also turn it off and on to blend. I read somewhere to not run the motor for over a minute at a time. So to avoid burnout, I just leave it on a few seconds each time. The coffee was my favorite part of the keto diet. Okay, so now my honest review. I've had this blender for a little over a year and I think it's great. It hasn't burned out and I used it a lot to make my coffee every morning. And it cleans up easy. I haven't needed to use the other pieces, but I am very happy that they are there just in case I need them at any point in time. I think it was well worth the price, and I definitely would buy again. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please like and subscribe. Comments are also welcome. Until next time, stay safe.